How many of you know that you can create your AI video just using what your ChatGPT and your YouTube application? Now, all of these features are for free. You are not subscribing. Now, there's a feature that YouTube introduced. These features is that you can create a video out of picture, and you can create this thing. You can create video out of text, and what you can even create music, that is sound, out of these same features. Now, this sound I'm talking about, you can decide on your own to write out, give ChatGPT a prompt to write out music, and you can paste it in this channel. And you can paste it in these features, and this feature will bring the music, and you can use the music for your long form video, and it will attract copyright claim, and YouTube will not share your revenue with anybody else. Now, I've talked about this on my previous channel, but I'm still repeating it again. See, there are a lot more on YouTube. You understand? Now, but the area I'm going to be focusing on this video is for the fact that you can create your AI videos using these same features I'm talking about. Now, there's a video I generated day before yesterday. Can you see this video? This video I generated using my YouTube app. I generate it. You just have to bring any random picture. You can use any random picture. You might decide to even use as a generate picture using ChatGPT. But these features in this YouTube app will definitely change it to a video. And the most joyful part of it is that you can start to create it scene by scene. You can try to create this video scene by scene until they reach up to 4 minutes, 5 minutes, so that you can put it in your long form video. You don't need to put it on your short only. Now, you might be imagining, how are they not subscribing this thing? You are not subscribing it. You are not subscribing it. They are all for free. And this video, you can do 1 minute video. I'm talking about the AI video now. You can do 1 minute video. You can write a script on the kind of this AI videos you want to be doing. Now you will just paste the script there. You create first scene, create second scene, create third scene. That's how you merge it. Before you know, your video will reach 5 minutes. Now the reason why I'm doing this video, because some people actually thought that the AI, anything about AI, you need to subscribe. No, this one you are doing it for, like, they just put the features there for free. So now, before we go to this tutorial aspect of this video, I want you to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're seeing me for the first time. My name is Joshua. So we are in our ChatGPT. You just type generate AI video script. In each scene, generate pictures. So let's wait for it. Can you see it? Look at the scenes. So now you click on generate picture. So can you see it is generating the pictures? There are other ways, there are other AI tools that you can use to generate this picture, but I choose to use ChatGPT. You understand? I don't want us to waste time. If not, they have 11 labs. We have so many other AI tools that you can use to do the same work. But let's go on. Let's just wait for a moment. So can you see it? Here is it. Can you see this thing? So let's save it. So we have already saved the picture. So go on to our we'll go on to our gallery. Here's the picture. So we crop it scene by scene. Let me screenshot it. Since it's 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's how you do it. Then you go to the first one, you crop it. You crop it. This first one. This second one. This second one. This third one. This fourth one. This fifth one. This sixth one. This sixth one. So you press save all. So we have already saved all these images like this. So this height appears. So can you see it? So now you go to your YouTube. So now here you click on plus. You click on short. I'm coming. Here's it. Here's the icon I was talking about. So now here we are in this place. You click on create video. You click on create video, photo to video, create music. So create photo to video. Let's click on scene number 1. Here's it. Here's the scene number 1. So it's generating. So just wait remaining some minutes, maybe some seconds.
Why do drones never get invited to parties?
Because they are always hovering around, waiting for someone to start a conversation they do not want to hear.
Why do drones never get invited to parties?
Because they are always hovering around, waiting for someone to...
But we are not posting it yet. You understand? So, but this is how you do because I just created one scene. This is how you do audio scene. Then you merge it together, take it to your CapCut, then edit it and post it. You can use 16:9 ratio to do it, which is a YouTube size. You can try to use it for it. So all of them is still the same. So you can try to post it on long video, then you can try to post it on short, depending on which one you want to post it with. So this way I'll stop today. I don't want this video to take longer than this.